Task number 8, conclusion. This is the last task in hashing basics room on Try Hack Me. This room covered hashing functions and their uses from various perspectives. Before moving on, we should distinguish between hashing, encoding, and encryption. Hashing, as already stated, is the process that takes input data and produces a hash value, a fixed size string of characters, also referred to as digest. This hash value uniquely represents the data, and any change in the data, no matter how small, should lead to a change in the hash value. Hashing should not be confused with encryption or encoding. Hashing is one way, and you can't reverse the process to get to the original data. Encoding converts data from one form to another to make it compatible with a specific system, as UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32, ISO 8591, and Windows 1252 are valid encoding methods for the English language. Note that UTFs are Unicode encodings, and they can represent characters from other languages such as Arabic and Japanese. Another type of encoding commonly used when sending or save data is not for any specific language. Examples include base32, base64 encoding. Consider the following example of using base64 to encode and decode. So basically encodes, Try Hack Me for this one, and then decodes this one to see how this works. Encoding should not be confused with encryption, as using a specific encoding does not protect the confidentiality of the message. Encoding is reversible. Anyone can change the data encoding with the right tools. Only encryption, which we covered in the previous rooms, protect data confidentiality using a cryptographic cipher and a key. Encryption is reversible, provided we know the cipher and can access the key. To continue this module, join John the Reaper. However, if you would like to gain more in-depth information about cryptography, consider this room that dives into more concepts and showcases more tools related to cryptography. Answer the questions below. Use base64 to decode this one. Save as this one. And then what is the original word? List. Okay, then we'll copy this. Paste it, echo decode.txt, and let's say decode.txt to decode sample. Okay, and then encode decode. Ensure you have noted various concepts and tools explored in this room. Check. Cool.